Have you ever wondered if animals can have allergies just like us? A fascinating question, isn't it? Well, you're not alone in this. It's a common misconception that our furry friends are immune to the annoying and often uncomfortable experience of allergies, but believe it or not, the reality is quite the opposite. Animals, just like humans, can indeed suffer from a variety of allergies. Yes, even your goldfish could be allergic to something. Surprising, right? This may seem odd given that they don't sneeze or get watery eyes like we do, but their immune systems react in similar ways to ours when encountering substances that they're sensitive to. So, if you're intrigued by this unexpected revelation, you're in for a treat. Over the next few minutes, we'll be delving deep into the diverse realm of animal allergies. We'll explore the different types, how they manifest, and how they can be managed. Stay tuned as we unravel the fascinating and lesser-known world of animal allergies. What exactly happens when an animal has an allergic reaction? To understand this, we must first delve into the fascinating world of the animal immune system. Imagine the immune system as a vigilant bodyguard, constantly on the lookout for foreign invaders. These invaders can be anything from bacteria and viruses to harmless substances like pollen or a specific food item. Normally, the immune system protects the animal from harmful pathogens, but in the case of allergies, it mistakes a harmless substance for a dangerous invader, triggering an overreaction. This overreaction is what we refer to as an allergic reaction. The bodyguard, in an attempt to protect the animal's body, goes into overdrive, launching a full-scale attack on the harmless substance, known as an allergen. The immune system produces antibodies, specifically immunoglobulin E or IgE, which attach themselves to cells in the body, causing these cells to release various chemicals. One of these chemicals is histamine, which is responsible for many of the symptoms we associate with allergies. Now, the reaction of an animal to an allergen can range from mild to severe, much like in humans. Mild reactions might include symptoms like itching, minor swelling, or digestive issues. In contrast, severe reactions could escalate to anaphylaxis, a life-threatening condition that requires immediate medical attention. It can cause difficulty breathing, a drop in blood pressure, and even loss of consciousness. It's important to note that the severity of an allergic reaction doesn't necessarily correspond to the amount of allergen exposure. Even a small amount of an allergen can trigger a severe reaction in a highly allergic animal. So if you've ever wondered why your cat starts sneezing after sniffing a flower, or why your dog breaks out in hives after a particular meal, it's their immune system going into hyperactive mode, trying to protect them from a perceived threat. So just like us, animals can also have a range of reactions to allergens. Now that we understand how allergies work in animals, what are some common allergies that our household pets can have? Let's start with our canine companions. Dogs can have a variety of allergies, ranging from food to environmental triggers. Food allergies in dogs are usually caused by proteins, wheat, dairy, and soy. These can lead to symptoms such as excessive scratching, ear infections, and gastrointestinal problems. Then we have environmental allergies. Dogs can be allergic to the same things humans are: pollen, dust mites, mold, and even certain types of grass. These can cause symptoms like itching, redness, and sneezing. Moving on to our feline friends, cats can also suffer from food and environmental allergies. Food allergies in cats can manifest as skin irritations, vomiting, and diarrhea. Common culprits include fish, beef, and dairy products. When it comes to environmental allergies, cats can react to dust, pollen, and certain cleaning products, showing symptoms like coughing, wheezing, and itchy skin. Now, you might be surprised to know that birds can also have allergies. Yes, our feathered friends are not immune. Birds can be allergic to certain types of food like seeds, fruits, and even certain types of wood used in their cages or toys. These allergies can result in skin irritations, loss of feathers, and respiratory issues. Last but not least, contact allergies. These are less common, but can occur in all types of pets. Contact allergies are caused by direct contact with certain materials. For instance, your pet might be allergic to a certain type of fabric in their bedding or a particular brand of shampoo. The resulting symptoms usually appear as skin irritations in the area of contact. As you can see, our pets can be allergic to many of the same things that we are. It's important to be aware of these potential triggers to keep our furry and feathered friends happy and healthy. Knowledge is power, after all. But what do we do if we suspect our pet has an allergy? Well, that's a topic for our next segment, so stay tuned. But how can we tell if our pets are suffering from allergies? That's a question that often leaves pet owners scratching their heads, just like their itchy companions. Let's delve into the telltale signs that your furry friend might be dealing with an allergy. First and foremost, excessive scratching is a common sign of allergies in animals. This isn't just your average itch. We're talking about scratching that seems relentless, that keeps them up at night, or that leads to skin injuries. If your pet is scratching more than usual, it may be time to consider whether an allergy is the culprit. Skin inflammation is another key indicator of allergies. This can show up as redness, swelling, or hot spots on your pet's skin. You might also notice hair loss in certain areas due to the constant scratching and licking. It's important to note that skin issues can also be a sign of other health problems, so it's always a good idea to seek veterinary advice if you notice these symptoms. Gastrointestinal issues can also signal an allergy. This could include vomiting, diarrhea, or changes in appetite. Remember, just like humans, animals can have food allergies too. Therefore, a sudden change in your pet's eating habits or digestive health may indicate an underlying allergy. Other signs you should keep an eye out for are chronic ear infections, coughing, sneezing, and problems with the eyes such as redness, watering, or discharge. All of these can be indicative of an allergic reaction. The key to identifying allergies in pets is vigilance and regular checkups with a vet. Regular vet visits allow for early detection and management of allergies, helping to keep your pet comfortable and healthy. It's always better to be safe than sorry, so if you notice any unusual behavior or physical changes in your pet, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Remember, early detection is key in managing allergies in our pets. So, keep a close eye on your furry friends and ensure they get the care they need to live their happiest, healthiest lives. So, what can we do if our pet has an allergy, you might be wondering? Well, thankfully, there are several approaches we can take to manage and treat animal allergies effectively. First and foremost, the best way to treat an allergy is to avoid the allergen, whenever possible. If your cat is allergic to a certain type of food, it's best to eliminate it from their diet. If your dog is allergic to pollen, you might need to limit their outdoor activities during high pollen season. However, keep in mind that it's not always feasible, nor is it always easy to identify exactly what's causing the allergic reaction. That's where medication comes in. There's a variety of medicines available that can help alleviate the symptoms of allergies in animals. Antihistamines, corticosteroids, and even certain types of immunotherapy can be used to help manage your pet's allergic reactions. But remember, it's crucial to consult with a vet before starting any medication regimen. They can provide the best guidance on what treatment is most appropriate for your pet's specific condition. In some cases, special diets can also help manage allergies in animals. For instance, if your pet is allergic to a specific type of protein, a hypoallergenic diet that uses a different protein source can be beneficial. Again, it's important to consult with a vet before making any drastic changes to your pet's diet. They can help you choose the right food that will meet all of your pet's nutritional needs. Of course, managing allergies also involves regular checkups with your vet to monitor your pet's condition. Regular grooming can also help reduce allergens on your pet's skin and fur. While allergies can be a challenge for our pets, with proper care and management, they can lead happy and healthy lives. It takes patience, diligence, and a lot of love. But seeing our pets flourish, despite their allergies, is a reward in itself. So, to recap our journey into the world of animal allergies, we've discovered that, just like humans, our furry friends can experience a range of allergies. Some of the most common include food allergies, environmental allergies, such as pollen or dust mites, and contact allergies, which can be caused by various substances like certain types of plastics or fabrics. We've also learned how to spot the signs of these allergies in animals. These can range from excessive scratching, sneezing, coughing to more severe reactions like swelling or difficulty breathing. Importantly, we've discussed the vital role we play in managing these allergies. This can involve adjusting their diet, creating an allergen-free environment, or seeking professional veterinary care for severe cases. Remember, our pets rely on us to help them navigate the world of allergies. So, let's be vigilant and proactive in their care.